Hey everyone, are you a proud owner of a Toyota Corolla from the 2014 to 2019 model years? Today we're diving deep into solving some of the common issues you might face with your vehicle. Whether you're cruising through city streets or tackling the highways, your Corolla should be running smoothly. Let's get into troubleshooting and fixing these pesky problems so you can enjoy a reliable and efficient ride. Stay tuned as we break down the top 5 issues and how to fix them yourself. First up, let's talk about the excessive oil consumption some of you might have noticed. This can be frustrating and potentially harmful to your engine if left unchecked. The main culprit is often worn piston rings or valve seals. To address this, you'll want to perform a compression test to check for any loss of compression and inspect the PCV valve for proper operation. If you find issues here, replacing these components can significantly help. Don't forget to regularly check your oil level and top it off as needed to keep everything running smoothly until you can get this fixed. Moving on to the infotainment system glitches, which can be quite the annoyance, especially if your multimedia experience is interrupted. Common issues include the system freezing or the backup camera not displaying. A simple first step is to reset the system by disconnecting the battery for a few minutes. If the problem persists, updating the software or replacing the head unit might be necessary. Remember, always ensure your system's software is up to date to avoid these glitches. Now let's shift gears to transmission troubles. If you're experiencing rough shifts or unusual noises from the transmission, it might be due to low transmission fluid or a faulty transmission control module. First, check the transmission fluid level and condition. Top it off, or change it if necessary. If the issue continues, consider having your transmission control module checked and possibly reprogrammed. These fixes can improve your driving experience significantly. Next, let's break down the issue of premature brake wear. This common problem not only affects your safety, but can also lead to higher maintenance costs. To tackle this, inspect your brake pads and rotors regularly for signs of wear and tear. If they're wearing down too quickly, consider upgrading to higher quality, more durable brake components. Additionally, ensure your driving habits aren't contributing to the excessive wear, such as frequent hard braking. Lastly, let's smooth out those suspension woes. Issues like unusual noises or a rough ride can be signs of suspension problems. Start by inspecting the shock absorbers and struts for leaks or damage. Replacing worn suspension components can drastically improve your car's handling and comfort. Regular checks and maintenance of the suspension system will keep your Corolla running smoothly over bumps and dips. Thanks for joining me today. Remember, staying proactive with your Toyota Corolla's maintenance is key to avoiding these common issues. Address problems promptly, and don't hesitate to tackle these fixes yourself or with professional help to ensure your car remains reliable and ready for the road. Thanks for watching and drive safe.